It is time for another demonstration, and here I want to show you the digital certificates used by both Google and Apple, as well as the differences between them. So I'm on my Chrome browser here and I'm on google.com. I'm going to click on the padlock right here, which of course will suggest that this site is secure. It is using SSL. So I'm going to click in there. It says the connection is secure. I'm going to click in there, and then I'm going to click on the certificate is valid. And then from here, we can actually get some general information about the certificate on this site. So you can see right now that it was issued to google.com. Now, do you remember what the asterisk stands for? That is the wildcard domain. That simply means that any subdomain under google.com will also have this certificate. And of course, right here, you can see the common name. It was issued by GTS-CA, the certificate authority, 1C3, and then you can see the validity period right there, and then the fingerprints. We have the SY0-256 fingerprint and then the SY0-1 fingerprint, but we can get even more information. We go to details, and then right here you can see that the root certificate is the GTS root R1, and then the GTS-CA 1C3 is the leaf certificate, which of course google.com gets the certificate from. And then right here we can click on any one of these fields to get the value. So for example, we can click on the version. So this is version 3. The serial number, as you can see the serial number right there. The issuer is of course the common name is GTS, and then from Google Trust Services, and then the country right there is US, as you can see. And then as we scroll down, okay, this is very interesting. The subject public key algorithm, we click in there and you can see that Google actually uses the elliptic curve public key, and then we also have the public key there as well, which is very, very long. And of course, you have your extended key usage and some other fields in there as well. Of course, you have your SY0-256 fingerprint and then your SY0-1 fingerprint. However, I want to show you something very interesting. If I was to go over here to Apple, okay, and I did the exact same thing, click on connection is secure, go to certificate is valid. Okay, what about Apple? Now, the common name here is apple.com, organization Apple Inc. Okay, and then it also has the SY0-256 fingerprint and SY0-1 fingerprint. We have the validity period right there. But then you can see right here, the common name, it's using a server RSA-CA2G1. Okay, let's click on details and let's see what we have right here. Okay, so the version here is also version 3. The issuer is of course Apple. But then if I scroll down here to the subject public key information, notice that the public key algorithm is not the elliptic curve key like Google. Rather, it is the RSA, the PKCS #1 RSA encryption. That's what Apple actually uses. And of course, that's the subject key right there, which is a lot longer than the elliptic curve public key. And then of course, we scroll further down, we have the SY0-256 fingerprint and the SY0-1 fingerprint as well. So kind of interesting that Google would use the elliptic curve public key, while Apple, on the other hand, would use the PKCS1 RSA encryption. But that's pretty much how you can inspect the details of certificates on different websites. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next class.